So let's talk about objects. Simple object first, such as the camera target. Let's put a texture. So there you have the scale, blend, also X scale, Y scale, so you can scale the dimensions separately. Make physical object, then you can transform this one into a dynamic or static object. I will make an extra tutorial on that one. Movement, there's a tutorial on that one. Rotation's part of the movement. On 3D click, you can connect scenes with each other. You can, on 3D click, play a sound, load a scene, or simulate a key. So that's about interactivity in this frame. On clicking, you can make certain things happen, or on rollover or on rollout. It looks like this. If you say load scene, and then you get a list of all the scenes, and then you can say I want the matrix scene, and when you click, you have to save obviously, but then the scene gets loaded. Make scenes interactive. That's how the tutorial is done, for example. Here you have custom face visibility. You can set the faces of this cube on or off. It's 12 because it has inside and outside walls. Since this setting here, visibility is both front, that means inside and outside is visible. Here you can say, for example, only the inside should be visible, only the outside should be visible, and when you go inside the cube, then there's nothing to see. And now you, for example, custom face visibility. Now you have 6 walls to set on and off, and now I can switch the single ones on and off, turn the single ones on and off. Here you can set the shape from simple shapes, cube, ball, plane, or cylinder. Face model to cam is the model always looks into the camera. For example, it's good with the plane, not inside, but both. So no matter where you spin, it will look at you. Scale to texture. For example, if you have a texture like this, then you can say scale to texture, and it will at once, and then it will scale to the dimensions of the image. 3D complexity, switch to wire, then you can see it. It's how many of these sub-strings there are in. It's interesting for shapes like spheres. They get really edgy when you turn that down. And the shader options, there is an extra tutorial also, because that is the same with a lot of objects.